congratulations for a brilliant show.
Thank
so
you.
My question is that what would be the one thing your fans would be extremely surprised to know about you?
Surprised to know about me. Ooh.
Something about you that
I love riding bikes.
that's nice. And also, if you would be a piece of clothing, what would it be?
Piece of clothing.
Yeah.
A kaftan.
ओके हो गया तो सुप्रीम जी आज की थीम के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा
तो आज की
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल
जी आई नो
डिज़ाइन
यहीं पे है Karan and Leon, the guys behind, the two boys behind Carlio, and they're very very special for me. इन्होंने ही मेरे bridal gowns बनाए थे for my wedding, and basically आज की theme जो है it's all things glamour, it's all things pretty. Inspired है ये 70s 80s के time से, तो of course retroness है. It's a lot of fun, a lot of sparkle, a lot of shimmer. If I have to give you an example, it'll be one disco ball. So there's when there's light shining on a disco ball, there's glitter and there's a sparkle, and when it goes in the dark, it just looks lovely silver. So for me, I think this collection that rounds up the whole theme. For Karan and Leon, of course, they were really inspired by the concept of the dream girl, which is very, very Bollywood, and the iconic comes from the iconic actresses and their style basically of dressing. And we have amazing icons like Zeenat Aman, and we have Rekha, and we have so many others. I can't even name one after the other. So this is a collection which was a lot of fun, even on the ramp for me. You feel like discoing all over the ramp, and that's what I did, and we had a lot of fun.
I thought the designers also.
Come.
You can सुप्रीम जी अच्छी
वहाँ पे जगह I'm looking very gorgeous, thanks to Karan and Leon.
Okay, is there any secret about you? Whenever you walk the ramp, you're confident and some glow in your face. Is there any secret about it?
No, I think thank you mom, dad, and thank you God, they just blessed me with genes, yeah. I've got nothing in it to do.
Okay, what's your thought in your mind whenever you walk the ramp?
Just have fun. I can't do a boring ramp walk. That's not me. That's not the person I am.
Right.
I don't want to like get on head ramp and do like a. I can't do that. I like it to be fun no matter what I'm wearing.
Okay, the Bachcha is getting a fantastic response from the audience. And
Yeah.
finally, the last episode going to air on 16th April. So what do you like to say?
Well, I'm very, very excited about it, yeah? Very excited. Finally, the finale is going to have a lot of twists and turns, so you guys must watch that.
And Carlio, how's the experience with beautiful Sureen?
Our experience with Sureen has always been like wonderful. Like from the time we know her till now, till eternity,
Till
it's just going to
eternity.
be wonderful.
Like news
You know?
forever.
Yes, exactly. So I mean, it's not
dream
like
girl.
it's not like we have to be with a celebrity. I said she's chilled, she's relaxed, she's comfortable. She puts you in ease, and that's what makes a collection go fantastically well. So it just works very well. So
So basically, we are a big fan of hers, and of course,
And I'm a big fan of theirs.
And we see her this classic beauty. In fact, the collection is about a dream girl, and she's
and
our
timeless
dream girl.
beauty, it's like literally
And,
timeless beauty.
That's how
Collapse.
inspiration. And we're happy.
Get you something?
It's inspired by the iconic ladies, and she's our iconic lady.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry?
Great story.
Did I watch it?
Yeah, history 4.
No, sorry, yeah. I'm so sorry, I've been traveling. No, I haven't seen it.
Okay, but after her, any upcoming project you like to
Yes, I have a series coming up on Netflix, which is India's first original series from the land. It's called Sacred Games. It's being directed by Anurag Kashyap and Vikramaditya Motwani. So that's what I'm doing, and there are a couple of Punjabi films that are in the pipeline that's going to come out this year. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.